Hello friends, I am Dr. Shreyas Padgaonkar. I am the chairperson for the Accreditation Committee of ISAR. My clinic is located in Mumbai. New reality, virtual accreditation of IVF center. Is it possible? This is our topic for this live webinar. All of us are striving to improve treatment outcomes. Implementation of the total quality management system is the only way to deliver consistent results over the time. ISAR FEQH accreditation is a certification of successful implementation of this TQM in your clinic, and it's a mark of quality for your clinic. In this webinar, we will discuss the accreditation process, the difficulties faced by the clinics, and introduce a new concept of virtual audit and accreditation to you, which soon will be incorporated in the current process. I thank ISAR for starting such a great initiative. I thank DocMode for providing this educational platform and Zydus for supporting this education initiative. Be safe and please join us for this webinar. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is P Gadgil, current president of FEQH, ISAR's partner for IVF Clinic Certification Program. In the forthcoming webinar, I'll be talking about the standard IVF clinic standard, the methodology to implement the standard, and the methodology of the audit. That's a new audit, new way of audit. So far, we have been conducting audits on physical visit basis. No more. Post-corona, with the various changes in the scenario, we thought that at least till December 2020, all the audits will be conducted on virtual basis. The audits will be conducted at 3 stages. The first stage, the document review. The second stage, the virtual tour of your facility, which could be through a video call. And the third one is again a Skype call to meet your top management and also to interview the key staff members. The entire methodology is designed in a fashion that helps the clinics to abide by the standard and keep continuing in the same methodology to gain the maximum benefits. I'm sure we'll do a lot of value addition in the webinar, so please do join. And I thank ISAR for arranging this webinar, and also the DocMode for their support, along with the Zydus for organizing this event. Thank you very much.